All cells, including the single-celled amoeba seen here, are made up of a living jelly-like substance called protoplasm. The protoplasm of a cell is always wrapped in a flexible skin called the cell membrane. The cell membrane helps control what comes into and what goes out of the cell. What comes into the cell are such things as oxygen, water, and food. What goes out are wastes and special cell products. As can be seen in this stained non-living nerve cell, the protoplasm inside the cell membrane is made up of two basic parts, a rounded nucleus and the cytoplasm, which is all the protoplasm outside the nucleus. As you can see by looking at this living cytoplasm, it is very complex. It is always in motion and contains lots of tiny organs, or organelles, plus other structures that carry out a variety of tasks inside the cell. Now let us look at some simplified diagrams of cells to learn about the components of the cytoplasm and how they function, such as the mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell, where stored energy is released. The lysosomes, that contain digestive enzymes. The food vacuoles, where large food particles are stored and digested. The centrioles, that are important in cell reproduction. The ribosomes, where proteins are made. And the network of hollow tubes upon which most of the ribosomes sit, called the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, used in transporting proteins inside the cell. The Golgi complex, where proteins are packaged. And in plant cells, the chloroplasts, which are extra important organelles because they are used to create food. Here we see thousands of green-colored chloroplasts in the cytoplasm of a living cell. These chloroplasts are busy carrying out a process called photosynthesis that is essential to nearly all life on Earth. Inside the chloroplasts, light energy is used to combine carbon dioxide gas, CO2, and water, H2O, to make sugar. As a result of photosynthesis, the sun's energy actually becomes a part of the sugar's chemical structure. This is why humans can obtain quick energy by eating foods containing sugar.